Iwachi's most famous and recognizable craft, matured under the watchful eye of the Nanbu clan. The elegant teapots are most eagerly sought after, but contemporary cooking and dining ware are increasingly popular.
Urushi is protective and decorative coating and finishing material. Joboji Urushi is high quality. Raw Urushi is essential in protecting many historic treasures at sites such as the Konjiki-do at Chusonji Temple in Hiraizumi, the Kinkaku Pavilion at Rokuonji Temple in Kyoto, and the shrines in Nikko, which are registered World Heritage Sites.
The garment and daily goods used to use by limited to the noble people long time ago. Great souvenir item like a modern table center and bags, using the same pattern and tide dining techniques.